Hello traders, hope you all had a good weekend. Before going into the video, I would like to inform you all that algo trading webinar which was planned yesterday did not happen because Mr. Pandya founder of Quantman algo trading platform tested positive, COVID positive, so it is postponed to next week. So if you want, you can join the webinar. I will leave the link in the description below. Also consider joining our Telegram group. We have a very vibrant group where our members discuss strategies and many things about trading, for which the link is also in the description below. And coming back to our markets, actually it's good nowadays. We are performing good. Gap ups and gap downs almost killed us for the last 2 or 3 months, right? Now it's like no gap ups and gap downs. See, we can manage 100 or 150 points gap or gap down, but what was happening is 300, 400 points gap up and gap down. That is gap down was happening. That is the problem. That is the problem for option seller. And if you see today's star performer was Nifty Auto. It was up by I think 1.05%. In fact, all the stocks in Nifty Auto was performing. Apart from Bharat Forge and Sona Precision Forging, I think. Apart from that, Nifty Bank was kind of flat. It was up by just 0.98%. ICICI Bank and Federal Bank were star performers when it comes to Bank Nifty, and ICICI was up by 1.83% and Federal Bank was up by 2.26%. And if you see Nifty 50, which was really flat, it was Maruti Suzuki which was up by 3.7. I think it was up by 0.37%. Hero Motorcorp was flat. It was up by 0.66%, and Mahindra and Mahindra was up by I think 2.77%. So what you can understand from this price action today is, today was stock specific. If it was not few auto stocks and banking stocks, I am sure Nifty would have gone below 16,100. And anyway, the good news was that today's price action is that Nifty had held above Thursday's open, which was around 16,100, and Bank Nifty was even better. It managed to close above even yesterday's low of 35,000. So seeing all this price action, if we get support from global markets, Nifty may inch up towards 16,500 levels. Actually, if you see the Nifty chart closely, you can go and see the Nifty chart. It tried to close above 16,200, and 16,200 is crucial. We saw Nifty rejection at 16,200 200 on 24th of February and 10th of June. So it is very crucial for Nifty to close above 16,200. Even if it doesn't close above 16,200, I feel Nifty is not going to close below 16,000 at least till this expiry. And Bank Nifty is performing very nicely. The resistance for Bank Nifty is at around 36,000. 36,000. So plan your trades accordingly and do as much as non-directional trades. You are going to make good money. That's what we have been doing. We have been doing some non-directional strategies for the last 2 or 3 days, and you can see what is happening. Whoever did non-directional strategies I'm sure would have made some really good money. For the last 3 or 4 trading session, or let's consider from a previous trading session, if you see Nifty and Bank Nifty from a previous trading session, what was happening is that Nifty was kind of like, Nifty was not moving at all. If you see the last 3 days of price action, from 16,000 to 16,200 only it has gone, and that is very, very abnormal for Nifty, right? Because we are used to seeing Bank Nifty moving 400 or 500 or 600 points, not 600 points, 400 points, I think, 400 points, and Bank Nifty moving 600 or 700 or even 1,200 points. But last 2 or 3 trading sessions, we are seeing Bank Nifty rarely making any moves. So that is the advantage of option sellers. And I used to tell before, like when Nifty was moving 400 or 500 points, this is time for option buyers, but there will be a time where option sellers will make money, and this is the time for option sellers. And historically, if you see, option sellers make money like most of the time. Historically, if you see the price action of indices doesn't make any big moves. It is only stock options only which makes big moves, and because it is manipulated or some insider trading is there. But when it comes to indices, historically it will move less. It was very unfortunate, it was moving violently and many option buyers had made money. That is good, I'm not complaining. But now I think markets are stabilizing, and option buyers may find it difficult to trade in these kind of markets, right? So if you know, if an option seller has to make money, the market has to move extensively or it has to move violently. That was what happened for the last few months. And I think now it's markets are cyclical. Even though option sellers made money, I think their chances of making money is over, and it is time for option sellers to make money, right? You have to give opportunity to us also, Baba. So how come we will we also have to make money, no? And if you see the FIA data, it is very surprising nowadays. Our big brothers are not selling too much. I really don't know what is the reason. Usually they sell in crores. On an average, they used to sell around 2,000 to 2,500 crores. And in fact, we have seen even FIA selling more than 5,000 crores or nearly 5,000 crores. Now what is happening is they are selling less at around in the last 1 week itself they have sold only for 2,200 crores. I think 2,218 crores in the last 1 week I am talking. So you can see they are not really participating in the market. I really don't know what is the story behind or what is happening behind the scene. If you know, let me know on the description below. And if you see the open interest is scattered all over the places. So yeah, this is the FIA data. Once more I will show. FIAs have sold for around just 170 crores and DIAs have sold for around 300 crores. So if DIAs had bought today, like what they usually do, maybe Nifty would have Nifty would have closed above 16,200. So anyway, we are sitting at a very important juncture. So tomorrow we might open at 16,200 or above 16,200. And looking at the global cues, it's really flat. And when our markets were closing, or when our markets when the Europe was opening, FTSE was really down by around 50 or 40 points. CAC and DAX was also, German and France was also down. But what I'm seeing now is they are recovering significantly. Not only that, S&P VIX is also down by 26. I think today it has marginally increased. So apart from that, Dow is down by 200 points or 0.58%. S&P is marginally down, it's flat. Nasdaq is also down. So if we are getting global cues, support from global cues, we might recover and we might consolidate. And when it comes to consolidation, I have told in the previous video also, I told clearly, till we are going to reach next FOMC interest rate hike, that is scheduled on 27th of July, we will see consolidation only. Then that is what is happening. And if you see the open interest, it is scattered all over the places. People are writing 16,100, not 16,100, 16,200 short straddle, and aggressive put writing is happening at 16,000. And we can hope market will sustain above 16,000 in the coming days. And when it comes to, I'm talking about Nifty, and when it comes to Bank Nifty is a different thing. It's a super bullish. All you can see is aggressive put writing and call unwinding in Bank Nifty. So the reason, if you see today's price action, we saw Bank Nifty performing excellently. It was because of Bank Nifty inched up above 16,200. So aggressive put writing at 35,000. So you can go and sell some put option. Maybe Bank Nifty will go on the upper side. So that's what I believe. Let us see how things pan out. I hope I have summarized all what is happening in the market. So go and take non-directional trades. You are going to make good money. So that's what I believe. Let's hope for the best. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.